Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh. In AIIMS Rishikesh, registration has been started for Master of Public Health MPH admissions 2025 session, January 2025 session, and registration launch date was 3rd of October 2024 and last date for online registration is 15th of October 2024. So in this video I will give you information regarding how students can apply for AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam 2025. So for this student need to download this application form, offline application form MPH January 2025 session, and fill it and send the application form by speed post with fee details. So in this video all information regarding how students can apply for MPH January 2025 AIIMS Rishikesh entrance exam will be discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER, Chandigarh TISS, Mumbai JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Christian Medical College Vellore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Common University Intent Test, UTPG, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So this is the website for AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health admissions 2025 January 2025 session. Website is aimsrishikesh.edu.in. So student need to open this website, and in this website in examination session there is a entrance exam and results. So by clicking on this option entrance exam and result, this interface will open. Here information like session, online registration link, launch date, last date for online registration, prospect download link, current status, important notes, result. So by clicking on offline application form MPH January 2025, this application form will open. So this is the application form. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, Veerbhadra Marg Rishikesh, Uttarakhand 249203, website www.aimsrishikesh.edu.in. Application form for MPH course January 2025 session. Applied for course, applied for, fee details, NEFT, RTGS number, bank name, date. Please attach proof of payment. Name in block letters, father's name, date of birth in Christian era, affix passport size photograph duly attested by gazetted officer. Please attach self-attested copy of relevant certificate. 4th permanent address, 5th address for correspondence, 6th mobile number, telephone number, 7th citizenship, 8th email ID, 9th gender, male, female, 10th category, unreserved, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWBD. Please tick the appropriate category and attach attested copy of relevant certificate if seeking reservation. 12th educational qualification, serial number, professional education, year of final exam, name of institute, name of university, medals and awards if any, total percentage obtained, pass, number of attempt. So all this information need to fill. Then attach self-attested copy of relevant document. 13th experience details if applicable, experience as name of institute, from to remarks. So if students have any experience, they can mention here. Attach self-attested copies of relevant documents. Have you studied Hindi till 10th standard class? Yes or no? Declaration: I, son of, daughter of, do hereby declare and affirm that all the statement made in this application are true, complete and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief, and nothing has been concealed thereon. If in the event of any information being found false or incorrect or ineligibility detected at any point of time, my candidature shall be liable to be rejected without any notice. I further declare that I fulfill all the conditions of eligibility regarding age limit, educational qualification and experience etc. prescribed for the course. Date, signature of candidate, copy of self-attested certificate. Please take a first class 10th date of birth certificate, second medical council registration, third internship completion certificate, fourth SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWBD certificate issued by the competent authority if applicable, fifth MBBS, BDS, Ayush alternative system of medicine in India mark sheets, 6th MBBS, BDS, Ayush alternative system of medicine in India degree, 7th attempt certificates, 8 copies of any other relevant documents. So all this need to send. So this student need to fill up this form, and they can check the prospectus how they can send this form for address, at which address. So I am giving information how to send this form. So this is the prospectus for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh prospectus. Last date of submission of this is MPH course January 2025 session. Last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through registered post or speed post 15th of October 2024 5 p.m. So the last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through registered or speed post is 15th of October 2024 up to 5 p.m. and application fees for SC, ST, EWS rupees 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable, unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable, PWD exempted from any fee. So student need to fill application form, and here it is method. Last date for submission of application. The duly filled in application along with necessary document and the applicable fee should reach the examination. So this is the address by which student need to send the application form by speed or registered post. Address is examination cell, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand 249203 on or before 15th of October 2024 at 5 p.m. through registered post, speed post only. Applications sent via courier will not be entertained. Applications received after the last date or incomplete in any respect or not accompanied by the required document information will not be considered. The envelope should be prescribed application for the MPH January 2025 session, and last date for submission of application is up to 15th of October 2024 Tuesday. Written entrance exam MCQ examination will be on 19th of November 2024. Now this is the information regarding fee payment. So declaration of result for MPH entrance examination will be available on the website. So this is the application fee for general OBC category 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. SC, ST, EWS category 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD candidates are exempted from any fee. Mode of payment through online only. So mode of payment is online only. That is NEFT, RTGS, UPI, etc. So student can pay the fee by NEFT, RTGS or UPI. Name of bank is Punjab National Bank. Name of account AIMS examination. Account number is given here and IFSC code is given. Candidates who deposit the fee in cash will not be considered for the course. All applicants are advised to carefully read the prospectus and help manual before starting the online registration and ensure that no column is left blank. In case of application rejection, no correspondence on request for reconsideration will be entertained. Applicants should download and print the registration slip and retain a copy until the completion of the admission process. So in this video, information has been given regarding how students can fill the application form. Students need to first download the application form from the website and then fill the application form and send the application form by registered or speed post with requisite fee and required document. So in this video, information regarding AIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health admissions, and information regarding how student can fill application form for January 2025 AIMS Rishikesh session has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams like AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI, MER, TISI, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.